And how's this work, Leslie?
Well, Carolyn, right now a bill is on its way to the state legislature that would do two big things. First, make Kansas the 38th state to expand Medicare and legalize medical marijuana. Governor Kelly seems confident that her plan will have bipartisan support. For years, Medicaid expansion has been a contentious issue in Topeka. Last year's effort actually had bipartisan support, though, just not enough to get it passed.
I'm pleased to announce that I will be introducing legislation to expand Medicaid that is once again budget neutral by funding the program with revenue generated from the sale of medical marijuana.
Governor Laura Kelly's bill would expand Medicaid, making 165,000 currently uninsured Kansans eligible for health care. It would also establish a framework to regulate medical marijuana. Kelly expects the state to generate at least $50 million a year from it, which would pay for Medicaid expansion in full and then some.
This proposal allows us to not only recover from the economic uncertainty of the pandemic, but emerge from it stronger than before.
Last year's Medicaid expansion proposal had a surcharge on hospitals to help pay for it. The new bill does not, so Kelly cannot see any reason for the state GOP not to support it.
Both components of this bill, Medicaid expansion and medical marijuana legalization, are extraordinarily popular among their constituents. When we do polling on these two issues, the results are often over 70% of Kansans want both.
Secretary of Commerce and Lieutenant Governor David Toland says the measure would create at least 13,000 new jobs in the first year, help struggling rural hospitals, and attract new businesses to the state.
Expansion of Medicaid is an economic imperative for our state.
Now, when asked about the legalization of recreational marijuana, Governor Kelly just said one thing at a time, okay? So she hopes that this measure will pass and that will go into effect January 1st, 2022, and then by 2023 be paid for by revenues from medical marijuana. Of course, count on us to watch this as it goes through the state legislature. Reporting live in Overland Park, Leslie Aguilar, KCTV 5 News.
Very interesting. Leslie, thank you for that.